What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So with the crown being in the shop getting fixed from the accident that was months ago, I thought I would take advantage of that and actually get in there and help the guys remove the front and rear bumper so that I can give you guys a how to remove your front and rear bumper. You're gonna have to remove the front bumper if you want to change your headlights. So this is gonna be helpful for anyone who wants to change headlights for whatever reason, going aftermarket, modifying, broken, whatever. And the rear bumper, well, let's just chuck it in with the front bumper because it makes sense. So not going to be a long one, guys, just very quick, very informative. So let's jump on in. But before we do, if you like the video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me out, guys. If any of you want to share it on your Instagrams or with your friends or whatever, I'll really appreciate it if you do tag me in it so I can thank you personally, because I really, really appreciate every bit of support you guys send. All right, let's jump on in, guys. Alright guys, so firstly you're going to have to remove your little chrome trims or the edge of the wheel liner, which is just a bunch of screws around the outside there. Then there is a bolt in here and one on the opposite side of the bumper. Then you've got a plastic clip and a screw, a plastic clip, another plastic clip and a screw there. Then underneath the actual bumper, you'll have a bunch of 10mm bolts or screws in each one of these divots. It's either 7 or 9. You've got to remove all of them and then you can pull the edges of the bumper out and it should come forward. All right, so for your rear bar, guys, you've got this bolt, and on the other side, you've got just some little clips underneath. And then you've got this one here. Now be aware, this was a clip that pushed in and then a bolt that went into the clip. So it's kind of a double clip, you could almost call it. And then you got some just down there.